It looks very shiny, but you know, it's just cardboard. We are in the Clifford Gallery at Waterfall Arts, the Community Arts Centre in Belfast. And this show that is opening tonight is called Corrugation Nation. We have over 100 pieces of work, all made out of cardboard, from people ages 4 to 74.
It looks like ancient ruins.
The mission of Waterfall Arts is to create community in harmony with nature through the transformative power of the arts. And having a cardboard show fit in well with trying to promote sustainability and repurposing this ubiquitous material, cardboard. Performance is our sponsor for this show. They do energy efficiency improvements to houses throughout the Mid-Coast.
We were excited to sponsor the event because we're just growing into Belfast, and we thought it'd be a nice way to say hello to the community because we're really interested in helping people conserve resources, and recycling cardboard into beautiful art was a really fun way to get our message out that we're interested in helping people conserve energy in their own homes.
I just love it. I love it. It's so creative. I think the material just is inspiring, and you know, you just don't, you're around it all the time, and so you take it for granted, but really it's a great source of art.
The show will be up until May 18th, when we're going to have a big party and raffle off some of the pieces.